Hi there. Today I'm doing converting between the types of variables. Let's do it. Let's declare variable name. Let's put it 9. It's integer. Let's convert to the float. Let's do the first one. Print open brackets. Let's put let's put float. Another brackets. Let's put here name. It will print 8.9 8.90. Alright, there's also another way to do. Let's declare another variable. Let's call it p equal to float open brackets. Let's put name. Let's put here p. Right, it will output there. Similarly, if we do this one, let's put point there, so we're gonna change it to the int. Let's see, it will only print out 8. Yep, integer always cut off the remainder, the 0.9 whatever, 0.9, 0.6, all of them it will cut off. But if you want to make 9, we have to use the round function. The round function will make 9. Absolutely. So what about if this one is string? So let's make it. It will print the same. No, we get error because they say string doesn't define round method, so they don't support. So we're gonna change it, make them float or int. We got it. What about if you make integer? We'll get 8. We'll got problem here. They say invalid. What's invalid? Int with the base 10. Alright, because they refuse here. Let's make it here. P print p. Let me run again. Alright, because it's already, it was this one is float and string, so int cannot make it. So let's make it only string. Let's see it. Alright, so let's just do it. Let's remove the string. So chap, so it's done. Well, see you again. Goodbye.